This isn't CGI, this is real. Welcome to the most jaw-dropping optical illusion on Earth. Off the southwest coast of Mauritius, near the Morne Peninsula, sand and silt cascade down an underwater slope, creating what looks like a waterfall. Underwater, it's an illusion of ocean currents. Sand deposits get pushed off the continental shelf, plunging into a deep-sea canyon over 4,000 meters below. The current carries it like water flowing over a cliff. From the sky, it looks like the island itself is pouring into the abyss. One of nature's greatest illusions, and you can only truly see it from above.